Hi, this is Scott Hastings with Mortgages by Scott, powered by OwnQ Financial. You might wonder why I'm standing in the middle of a field, and that's a good question. The reason is I'm talking about USDA loans today. Although this looks like a very rural area, I'm only really about 1.5 miles from downtown Davidson. And a lot of people wouldn't think that Davidson or this area would have any areas that are USDA eligible, but they really are. So a lot of people give me a call looking for a loan where they don't have to put any money down and there's no mortgage insurance, and that is a USDA loan. USDA loans are great. The only thing is they are not eligible to all borrowers because of income requirements or caps on household income, and they're not available to all properties. The income requirement is going to be based on the number of people that live in the house, not just the number of people in the loan. So most loans, it's going to basically go by who is on the loan. So in this case, if you have 3 people live in the house, only 1 person is on the mortgage, the income is going to only be considered as far as qualifying for the loan itself by the person that's on the loan. But USDA is going to count the number of people that live in the household. So if husband and wife both work, but only husband is on the loan, together their income is less than the USDA maximum for that county, then they're good to go. But if their income combined exceeds the maximum income limit, then unfortunately they wouldn't qualify. Also, not every home is going to be eligible for a USDA loan. And there's not really a map where you could just look at it and say, oh, that whole area is USDA eligible. You have to go to the USDA website and you can put in the address of the property and it'll tell you whether that's an income or a USDA eligible property. You can also go in there, you can type in the amount of monthly income that each borrower has and see if that household's income exceeds the maximum income requirement. There are some tips and tricks on getting qualified for USDA loan where you might not think that you would normally be eligible. One is a mortgage credit certificate, certain things like that. So if you have any questions at all about a USDA loan, please give me a call. Again, this is Scott Hastings with Mortgages by Scott, powered by OwnQ Financial.